Hello everyone, my name is Chinedu James Kuja. I am an engineer and also a member of Key to Glory.
Hello everyone, my name is Chukli Daniel Kuja. I'm an engineer and also a member of Key to Glory.
We are here to apprise the world of a fascinating youth empowerment project through football, designed and developed by us in Key to Glory.
Key to Glory is a football management company that has been set up to give meaning and purpose to lives of millions of youths who are extremely passionate about football.
Based on many years of experience in football, Mr. Friday Kuja, popularly known as the soccer ambassador and the founder and the project champion of Key to Glory, who is also our beloved father, and we are forever thankful for bringing us into the line of football management.
It took Mr. Friday Kuja so much effort of years of hard work to come up with this life-changing opportunity for the talented youths in Nigeria.
Friday Kuja, who is a player's license agent, if not the first, at least among the first 5 licensed players agents in Nigeria. Mr. Friday Kuja is a stakeholder in Nigeria's football, and he has made a very huge impact in Nigeria's football, especially as the welfare officer of the Olympic gold winning team 1996. He has worked with many great international players, ex-players like Daniel Mokachi, Julius Agawa, JJ Okocha, Kanu Nwankwo, Yakuba Igbeni, Obafemi Martins, Tijani Babangida, Chike Lue, Ihanusi, Garba Lawan, Benga Okonowo, Ike Shoromi, Taribo West, just to mention a few.
Majority of these international players are responsible for giving Nigeria the prestige of placing us top 5 in the world as it was in 1995-1994, which has been the highest FIFA ranking placed by any African country.
Isn't that great? In the previous years, it has been difficult and challenging for our national team to retain the great honor our prominent ex-internationals brought upon our great nation. It was based on this, the brain box of Nigeria's football, Mr. Friday Kuja, established this empowerment project through football to boost the development and sustainability of unbounding football talent in Nigeria and also Africa at large.
Key to Glory Football Talent Hut is a football project to transform young African talent into professional level international footballers. The goal of this project is to transform and empower Nigerian youths who are passionate about football. Also in Africa, Key to Glory will provide thousands of football playing youths their ultimate dream of a chance to become professional footballers.
Key to Glory is founded and operated in line with the rules and regulations and also the best practices, both local and internationally, of the football governing bodies. We operate with the approvals and endorsement of the Senate Committee of the Youth and Sport, the Ministry of Sport, the NFF, the Lagos State Football Association, and other football governing authorities.
As we all know, Nigeria depends on oil as it is one of our major natural resources. In the coming years, the demand of oil will not be high any longer. That's what motivates us in this project.
The project's focus is to organize the nationwide competition for academies to showcase the innate and raw talent of young and malleable players. As part of the competition, there will be a seasoned international football scouts, agents, international coaches, football administrators from far and wide Europe and other parts of the world to come to Nigeria or any parts of Africa to conduct a seasonal talent scouting project for youths who have an undying passion for football.
These youngsters will go through vigorous and highly professional world standard trainings program, and some talented players will be selected and placed in our partner football academies and youth teams around the world. Our players will be exposed to the technicalities of modern football internationally. Our players will be exposed to different regular trial matches around the world, which will give them the ability to showcase their God-given talent to different clubs, scouts, and agents from different parts of the world.
The scouted players will be taken to good second and third division clubs in Europe and other parts of the world, where they will be properly trained, given good food, nurtured, harnessed, groomed, and also they will have the privilege of learning the native language of the country. And this will also be done in other of our partner academies in different parts of the world.
In less than 6 months, there will be high demand of our players from big clubs. It is our dream every year to be taking up to 50 players, 50 talented players to different clubs and have at least 5 in different age groups of our national teams.
Based on this, we are together discovering the replacement of great ex-international players like the chairman of Key to Glory, who is Daniel Mokachi, and also popularly known as the Bull, and the Nigerian's football ambassador.
Vice Chairman Kick to Glory Julius Agawa, popularly known as Agawanda.
And also ex-players like Chike Lueyanusi, we have ex-players like Garba Lawan, Tijani Babagida, and also of blessed memory Stephen Keshi, Yashini Yekini. These are great ex-internationals who we are trying to discover their replacements together. We urge everyone, football fans and football lovers, to today key into Kick to Glory. And for more information, you can visit us at www.kicktoglory.ng. Thank you all for listening. Goodbye.